Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. So today on another cooking episode, we're preparing vegetable rice, and let's get into the video. For the ingredients, I'm using tomatoes, cucumber, onions, garlic, French beans, the rice also. I forgot to show you the rice, and then the hohos, red one, yellow one, green one, and carrots, minges as well. First step, fry your onions, then start adding your veggies with no particular order. For me, I started the hohos, and then carrots, cucumbers, French beans, and then the minges. You mix them well, make sure they are well mixed, and then you let them cook for about 5 minutes. And then I added in my spice of choice. I used paprika, beef sauce, and then a little bit of chili, and then salt, and then you also cover it to cook for some few minutes, and then you add in your rice. I don't wash my rice, so if you decide to wash it, it's up to you. And then I mixed up everything, and then I added water. The amount of water, the ratio of rice is to water is 1:2. And then you cover it, let it cook on a low heat, and yeah, after like 30 minutes or less, you have your vegetable rice. So guys, I served mine with white fried chicken and some steamed cabbages. So I'll do a separate video on how I made my steamed cabbages and the white fried chicken, and that's how you cook your vegetable rice. It was so sweet and very easy to make. You just prepare your ingredients and you are done. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below. I rate my cooking or on a scale of 1:10, 10 being bad and 1 being good. Bye bye, see you next time.